Hey, what's up guys, it's Alex from CodingTuts, and welcome back to the third part of the series called You Say It, I Code It. So basically in this series we're creating a simple modern website, which is like one of the trends right now, to be honest. And basically in every video you suggest in the comments what I should do for the website, and I try to do like I choose the top rated comment, and I try to do it on the website. So basically we're creating a website together. Now, it's been really good so far, and I've got like a lot of comments, but unfortunately, I can't do like everything you suggest. So a lot of you guys suggested that I should do like a background video for the header, and then other people like suggested that I should do a parallax effect. And well, basically, the parallax effect is a little bit harder to do than the background video. So the background video is really simple. You just add a video tag and you give it you style it with CSS to basically fit 100% of the container, with position, absolute, height, and width 100%. And then there's an attribute in the video tag that is called autoplay, which basically means that whenever the page loads, it's going to autoplay. And also, you don't have to add the control tag in the video tag, so that's how you don't have controls. So, that is really easy to do, and it's probably gonna take like 4 minutes, actually even less than that, for a tutorial. And so basically the parallax effect is a little bit harder, and I think it's a little bit more exciting, so that's what we're gonna be doing. It's really simple actually, but I did a little research online and I found that almost everyone uses parallax.js. I was just like, why would anyone want to use parallax.js when you can create it with like 10 lines of code with jQuery? It's really simple actually, and I'll show you how you do it. Also, we're going to be creating like a little Moto right here in the middle of the page. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. Also, before we begin, I want to thank you all so much for 600 subscribers. Like, that's just amazing. It's mind-blowing. And also, I've been away for 2 weeks, and then now I'm back for 2 days, and I'm leaving tomorrow. I came back yesterday, I'm leaving tomorrow again for 2 weeks. And I won't be having internet this time because I'll be on a cruise in the middle of the ocean. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to record one more video so I can upload it. Like, I can schedule it for 1 week into the vacation. But when I get back, I'm gonna start uploading one video every Tuesday once again. Unfortunately, I won't be back until September 14th, and the Apple event is on September 7th, so I won't be able to live stream it. But you guys can, if you have Windows 10, just go on Edge and you can watch it yourself. And that's what they did last year, so yeah. Alright, so let's begin. Let's get right into the tutorial. So, this is our HTML, and this is, where's our header? Oh, this is our header. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna create one div that is only the background image, and basically we are gonna be moving the background image. So if you don't know what a parallax effect is, basically parallax effect is when you scroll down, actually doesn't matter if it's down or up, when you scroll, the image scrolls itself. Like, it doesn't follow the page, it just scrolls. And I'll show you in just a second what it means, but basically, as I said, we're going to be creating a whole div only for the background image, so basically, it's going to be scrolling in the div. So, this is what I'm going to do. So, we're going to create a div, and I'm going to give it a class of header background. No, actually, I'm just going to call it BG. Header BG, right? Alright, and I'm gonna close it off right here. We're gonna go and we're gonna style it right above the header nav, so header BG, and so we're gonna give it a position of absolute. We're gonna give it a width of 100%, and the height is gonna be 300%. Now this is why. When the height is 100%, there is nothing to scroll because it's gonna show 100% of the image. But when the height is 300%, there's like a lot left to scroll. So that's why we're gonna do 3 times the height. And now I'm gonna actually download. So this is unsplash.com is a copyright-free website, or actually a website where you can download copyright-free images that you can do basically whatever you want with them. So it's a really cool website, and I'm just gonna go ahead and download this picture because I think it looks I think it looks amazing, and it's gonna like be perfect for the website. So my internet is slow. That's one thing. Alright. Background, image, URL. Oh, URL. There we go. Background size. Come on. Oh my god. Background. Actually, background repeat, no repeat. And background size cover. Awesome. But you can see that I did do height 300%, so it overflows. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna say overflow hidden. Awesome. Now I want to make the margin bottom like 500 pixels so we can just see how it scrolls down. So there we go. Actually, I'm gonna do like 1000 so we can see how it scrolls all the way down. So we don't actually see the header. Perfect. So as you can see now, when we scroll, basically the image just goes up with absolutely no effect, and it looks really boring. We're gonna add a parallax effect. So we're gonna be doing that with jQuery. So yeah, I'm gonna write a comment saying parallax effect JS. Alright, so now this is what we're gonna do. Whenever we want the parallax effect to happen when you scroll, so we're gonna create a scroll event handler, and basically whenever we scroll, we're gonna take the position of our offset, so the scroll top, and we are gonna give the image a top of minus that value. So let me show you what I mean. So so we're gonna add the event handler first. So window dot scroll function. Now I'm just gonna say console dot. Actually, no, not. So basically, whenever we scroll, whatever's inside here is gonna run. So now I want to create a variable, and I want to call it like scroll top, and it's gonna be this. So window dot scroll top. Okay, now let's console dot log scroll top. I want to show you why. Scroll top. Alright, now I want to inspect it. And, okay, now let's see. Where am I making a mistake? This dot scroll top. Hold on. I don't see an issue, but I'm gonna rewrite it. So, okay. Window dot scroll function. Oh, okay, now I see. I did this basically. Alright, I think at least that's what I did so far. Scroll top, and we're gonna get the value of our scroll. So scroll top of our offset. And then I want to console.log scroll top. Also, fun fact, actually it's not really fun, but I did do this video, but it turns out that I forgot to record the audio, so I am redoing it, and I'm not really good at explaining, especially when I do it the second time. The first time I explained it like perfectly, but now, you know, I have to do it all over again. But yeah, now when we scroll, we can see our offset. Alright, now this is what we want to do. So I'm going to target the header background, so header BG. And then we're going to be styling it with CSS. So since it has position of absolute, as we did here, we have unlocked basically the top attribute. So we're going to do top, and then we're going to put it in parentheses, scroll top. But we want to do, actually, we're going to do this for now. And then we're going to add pixels. We don't have to add pixels, but I like adding it sometimes. So plus pixels. Now, let's see what happens. So I'm going to close this. As you can see, when we scroll, it scrolls down even faster. So that's why we need to add a minus. So basically, when we scroll down, it's going to scroll up how much we scroll down. If that makes any sense. So let's try this. Oh, what did I do wrong? Minus, oh, okay, now it works. Alright, this is basically a parallax effect, but as you can see, it's really fast. So how can we do that? maybe with I don't know, but I do know. So basically we're gonna be multiplying it by something. So we're gonna be multiplying the scroll top by something else. So basically if we multiply it by 1, it's gonna be actually exactly the same. But if we multiply it by 2, it's gonna scroll 2 times faster, as you can see. So we want to make it a lot slower and not a lot faster. So basically it means the higher the number is that we multiply it, and it means that, wait, I'm going to do it all over because I'm not really good at explaining. So basically, the higher the number that we give to multiply, the faster it's going to go. So we're going to give it a really low number. So let's try with 0.1. And it's going to be really slow. Like, we can't even see it. We can barely see it. 0.2, basically the same thing. So, what I think the best is I think 0.5 is the best. So, let's try this. Yeah. Alright, and I'm really okay, let's try 0.4 because I think it's a little bit too fast. Let it load because my internet is for some reason really slow. Alright, 0.4 is perfect. And as you can see, when we scroll down, it scrolls up. When we scroll up, it scrolls down. So that's a really cool effect. But remember when I said that the height has to be 300%? Well, let's try with 100%. Nothing will happen. Actually, the image goes up. I lied. Something does happen. The image goes up. But as you can see, there's like nothing below the image. So that's why it's acting like this. So that's why we give it a height of 300%. And yeah, alright, so that's it. No, I'm kidding. This is not the end of the tutorial, but we did create the parallax effect, which is really easy to do, as you can see. Yeah, so really easy. So now this is what I want to do. I want to create a Moto right here in the middle, in the absolute middle, and we're going to be doing that with Flexbox. I'm not really good at Flexbox, but I do know the basics. So that's what we're going to be doing. So, first, this image is way too light. I want to make it a little bit dark. So we're going to create a new class, and I'm going to give it a class of header darken div, and inside is going to be our Moto, but I'm just going to create the darken first. So header darken, position absolute, width 100%, height 100%, and the background color is going to be RGBA 0, 0, 0, come on, 0, 0, 0.5. What's 0.4? Alright, I'm gonna do 0.4 to 5 because I'm not really sure what I want. Alright, this is perfect. Exactly what we want. So now, with Flexbox, we're gonna align basically the Moto right here. So we're gonna create a wrapper of the Moto. So div class equals Moto wrapper. And I'm gonna write h1. Wait, let me just see if I did for the paragraph margin 0. Okay, I did. Alright, awesome. So, h1, and I'm gonna call it simply modern. Now I'm gonna write a paragraph. I'm gonna call it, this is gonna be the Moto. So, one of the biggest trends in 2016, which probably is true, I'm not really sure, but it is a trend. In 2015, I think it was material design. Now it's more of like simplicity. Alright, so Moto wrapper. Let's style that. Moto wrapper. Alright, so position. I want to give it a position relative. And then I want to give it a width of auto, height of auto, and background color of yellow. Now, I know I can't do top 200 pixels, but I can. I'm not really sure why, basically with the position relative it can't, but I think it's because it's inside the position absolute, but you know, there's always like weird bugs, let's say, in CSS. So yeah. And also I'm gonna give it a display of inline block, so it's not like, you know, although line. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna position this absolutely in the middle, like vertical and horizontal. So that's what we're gonna do. So display flex, flex. What was it? Flex flow. Row wrap. And I'm gonna justify the content in the center. Then I'm gonna align the items in the center. Awesome. Oh wait, it's not in the center. Flex flow. Column wrap. Was it? Oh my god, wait, hold on. Hold on. Let's just try column. I'm not really sure. No, for some reason. Oh, okay, I know why. It's because it's gonna align it. Let me just check. Yeah, okay, so basically it's aligning it in the center, but you know, the height is 300%. So we are gonna have to probably give this position of relative. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. No, it doesn't work for some reason. Position fixed? I don't know. Let's try. Oh, oops. Position of absolute. I'm not sure. Actually, I know why it's happening, but I just don't know how to like fix it. Flex flow row wrap. Yeah, that's what we want. Just icon at center and then align items center. Well, oh my god, because I have top 200 pixels. Oh my god, I'm stupid. There we go. Exactly what we want. So let's give this a position of fixed. Let me just try this out. So it's gonna scroll up, and then when it hits here, I want to make it go up. So that's what we're gonna do. So for now, I'm gonna just leave it absolute, no, relative. Doesn't really matter. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna remove the background color. So that looks good, in some way. But now what I want to do is I want to style it. So Moto wrapper H1, font size 45 pixels, and then font weight 600, and then Moto wrapper P, font size 22.5 pixels, so basically the half of 45, and then font weight is gonna be 200 pixels. I mean, not 200 pixels, font weight. Wait, is it 200 300? 200, alright. Yeah, alright, I think that looks really good. But see, now this is the problem. If you have a huge screen, because this is my laptop screen, but I also have an external monitor, like, you can see that my mouse disappears, which is 27 inch, it's an ultra wide, and it's huge. And basically, if I put it up on there, what's gonna happen is this text is gonna be like around, well, it's gonna be like around here, and you won't be able to read nothing. So, we're gonna give Moto wrapper a background color of CCC, like this. Now you can read it. Wait, let me just try FFF. I mean, I know that it's gonna be probably ugly. It is. So CCC or ABC, let's try BBB. A little bit darker. No, I think CCC is good. Alright. I think that looks pretty good. Or let me just see the background color of the page. Background color, like, is it white? I don't think this is white, but say so. Oh my god, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna change the background color to like background color. Actually, I'm gonna change that in the next episode, but yeah, so Background color, CCC, and then I'm gonna try BBB again, just to check it out. No, I think, yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave it like this because I don't really see the difference, but, okay. So now I'm gonna give it, of course, a margin of 0.30 pixels, so you know, it's responsive. But I also want to give the text of padding of 0, 15 actually 5 pixels, 15 pixels. So padding 5 pixels, 15 pixels. Awesome. All right. I think this looks pretty good. But as I said, like when you scroll down, you can't really read it. So what I'm gonna do is, well, the episode is 21 minutes already, so I think we have a little bit more time to create it. So not gonna leave it for the next episode. But yeah. So I'm gonna change this to position fixed. Alright. Now what I want to do is when it hits here, I want it to, what do I want to do it? How is this gonna work? I'm not really sure. So we're gonna scroll, it scrolls down like this. And then, oh, you know what we can do? Like actually I think this is gonna be a really good idea. So Moto wrapper dot CSS top scroll top, so it's gonna go down, not up, plus pixel scroll top times 0.2. Now let's try this. Oh, I'm gonna change it back to relative. Oh my god, it doesn't work. Wait, Moto wrapper. Let's CSS top scroll top plus pixel. Yeah, okay, so margin 0. Let's try position absolute. Okay, let's try 0.8, so actually it moves 2 times faster. No. Okay, why not? 0.16. Oh my. Wow, am I stupid? 1.6. No, this is really weird. I don't know why. Okay, wait, hold on a second. Basically, what we want is we want it to meet like right here. So, I think what we can do is we're gonna create a new variable. I'm gonna call it like header height. Then we're gonna say like header dot height, right? Is that how you spell? Yeah, that is how you spell height. Header dot height, and then wait, I'm not really sure. Height. Yeah, that is, but why is it yellow and this is blue? I don't know, whatever. So this is what we're gonna do. So CSS dot top times header height. I don't know. Let's try it out. No, it doesn't work. Scroll top. Wait. Console.log header height. Let me just see that. Oh, I'm gonna remove this console.log. I forgot that we ever did that. So, okay, I'm gonna explain what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to do when it scrolls, it kind of becomes in the middle of these two. So when you actually scroll down, it's like, you know, you'll see what I mean. But yeah, so inspect console. Scroll top is not defined. What do you mean? It is. Wait, let me see it. Scroll top jQuery. Scroll top, yeah, I don't see the error. It's supposed to be defined, to be honest. Huh. Isn't this exactly the same? Why scroll top is not defined? You're kidding. What if you do window scroll top? I don't know. What the hell? Console.log header height. And then it's just console.log. Okay, whatever. Okay. I'm really sorry that we're basically not doing anything, but I do want to show you how like I deal with problems. So header height. Huh. Well, why does it not multiply scroll top times? Like, what if I do like 690, since that's like, you know. Why? What? Times 10? Will this work? Wait, what am I multiplying? Scroll top. Oh, yeah, like, why is that not working? I don't get it. What if I just do like top 100 pixels, or 1000 pixels or whatever? Yeah, it's gonna go down. But why is it not working then? I don't understand. CSS top scroll top times like 2. Oh, why? Doesn't mean this scroll top? Yeah, oh my god. Now I get it. Oh my god. And I'm like, dude, why is it not working? Okay, let's try it now. So, header. What? What the hell? Oh, oops. Okay. Let's just try like 0.8. Wait. Top, scroll top. Times 0.8. Oh. Yeah. Moto wrapper. Yes, I'm gonna change this to position relative. Now it adds like a little bit top, because when we did top, what it means is that it's gonna do like, let's say if we scrolled here, so it's gonna be like scroll top 10 pixels, and then so it's gonna go to the top of 10 pixels. That's not what we want. So that's why we're gonna say position relative, and then with top we're basically saying add that much to the top. Okay. Right. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, and I'm not sure if I'm like able to create it. So I wanted to meet so is this like actually good? No, it's not a good effect, is it? Wait. No, never mind. Oh, actually, can I do like opacity 0.7? But it makes the text like yeah, I'm just gonna leave it without opacity. It looks better. Alright, so that's that. But this is so weird. Let me try with the header height again. Oh wow. Wow, okay, so that automatically goes to the bottom. So 1.6. No, 0.2 actually. It needs to be 10 times slower. But that doesn't work either. Like, oh wait, what if we do it at the same speed, actually? That's actually sort of what I want. I don't know. Okay, so hold on a second. I think I got it. So scroll top minus header height. Um, hmm. What if we do this? So Moto wrapper dot CSS. No, dark header darken dot CSS height. Basically, header height minus. I'm just gonna do this. Header height minus scroll top plus pixel. Oh wow, okay, that's not really good. You know what? I think actually that looks pretty good. Yeah, I'll just fix this. You know what? I'm really sorry for the long tutorial. Like, I don't really want to make really long tutorials that are like kind of useless at the end. But I think this looks like really good in my opinion. Like, if you know how I should like do it, like how I should fix it, please make sure to comment down below because I always like to, you know, listen to your opinion. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial. If you have so basically I always expect you to comment down below what I should do in the next episode. So basically in the next episode we're going to be working on the body, so give me an example of kind of like what you want and I'll do it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.